Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and thank you all so much for joining me today for this quick, gentle bedtime yoga for sleep. So continuing on with our quick yoga series, this is going to be an awesome short little sequence you can do right before bed. So when you're ready, roll your mats, put on something comfy, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin in a nice seated position of your choice. You can have your legs crossed or you can have one leg in front of the other. Hands can rest on your knees or in your lap. Let's take a moment here just to fully arrive on our mat. Maybe you close your eyes. Let's come back to the breath. Let's all take 3 deep breaths here. So let's inhale, fill our belly, fill our lungs. Exhale, sigh it all out. Let's do that 2 more times. So inhale, exhale, sigh it out. One more time, inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. Letting go of the day thus far. Letting go of anything that happened today, whether it was good or bad. Preparing ourselves, preparing our bodies, our minds for a sweet sleep after this. Now if you want to here, you can practice Ujjayi breathing or ocean breath. So basically this is just pretending you're fogging up a mirror, except keeping your mouth closed. So inhale, and then as you exhale, pretend you're fogging up a mirror, but just keep your mouth closed. So that should create like this ocean sound in your breath. So feel free to practice that if you like here. It's an awesome way to relax. And then when you're ready, we'll start with some neck tilts. So let's tilt our head over to our left shoulder. Let's walk our right hand out, breathing into the right side of the neck. And you can practice this ocean breath here. Trying to stay tapped into the breath throughout this practice. If you find your mind wandering, just know you can always come back to your breath. And on your next exhale, come back to center. We'll take it over to the other side, tilting our head to our right shoulder. Walking our left hand out, really breathing into the left side neck here, and continue to breathe. Exhale, slowly come back to center. From here, let's inhale, lift both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twist into our right hand, right arm coming behind us, acting as a second spine. Left hand resting on your right thigh, making sure you avoid the right knee, protecting the knee. Inhale, try and lengthen your spine, inhale, and then exhale, twist a little deeper into the pose. You can try and imagine your body as like a wet washcloth and you're rinsing out everything that you no longer need to carry with you. Letting everything go, letting everything rinse off. Exhale, slowly come back to center. Again, inhale, let both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twisting to our left hand, left arm behind us, acting as a second spine. Right hand resting on the left thigh, avoiding the left knee. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to twist. As always, coming back to your breath. Exhale, slowly come back to center, and again lift both hands up towards the sky. And exhale, this time plant the hands in front of you and begin to walk your hands out long. Coming into a nice little forward fold here, and really breathe into the right hip here. Exhale, begin to slowly walk it back up. And from here, let's inhale, let both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, plant the hands behind you. Hands are underneath the shoulders. Now from here, inhale, lift the hips up. Imagine your favorite fruit between your chin and your chest. Opening up the hips. Exhale, lower it back down. And from here, let's open the legs wide. Maybe give them a nice little shake. And then cross the opposite foot in front. And again, inhale, let both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, plant the hands in front of you. And again, walk the hands out long. This time, breathing into the left hip. Coming back to that ocean breath if you lost it. Exhale, slowly walk it back up. And again, inhale, lift both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, plant the hands behind you, hands underneath the shoulders. And again, inhale, lift those hips up. Breathe. Exhale, lower it down. And from here, let's make our way into all fours. Stacking the hands underneath the shoulders. Fingers are spread wide. Knees are underneath the hips. Tops of the feet pushing into the mat. And we'll take a couple rounds of cat-cow here. Just giving our spine some love. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Let's do one more round. From here, let's come back to all fours. Now from here, let's plant our left hand in the center of our mat. Inhale, reach that right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread that right arm underneath the left, bringing your right shoulder, right ear to the mat, threading the needle. Stay here for a couple breaths. Exhale, come back to center. This time I'll take it over to the other side, planting that right hand in the center of our mats. Inhale, reach that left arm up. Exhale, thread that left arm underneath, threading the needle here, bringing the left shoulder, left ear to the mat. Exhale, come back to all fours. From here, keep the legs exactly where they are, knees stacked underneath the hips. From here, we'll begin to walk the hands out long, melting the chest forward, coming into a puppy pose. Breathing into the shoulders here. As always, coming back to your breath. On your next exhale, shift forward, coming onto your stomach. So we'll come into a Sphinx pose, stacking the elbows underneath the shoulders, hands and forearms out in front of you. Awesome heart opening pose. Coming back to your breath. Maybe you close your eyes here. On your next exhale, we'll shift back, coming into an extended child's pose, bringing the knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch, and extending the arms out in front of you. You can rest your forehead on the mat. Continue to breathe. Try and sink a little deeper with each exhale. Great work, everyone. From here, we'll prepare to close off this practice. So let's make our way onto our backs. And once you get there, hug your knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a nice big hug. Sending yourself some love. Maybe you rock back and forth here if that feels nice. Now from here, let's extend our left leg long, continue to hug our right knee into our chest. And then from here, coming into a supine twist, guiding our right knee over to our left side. Our arms can come into a T. Just make sure to keep both shoulders rooted in the mat. And as always, come back to that breath. Exhale, slowly come back to center. We'll take it over to the other side, extending that right leg long, hugging that left knee into our chest. And when you're ready, guiding that left knee over to the right side, arms coming into a T. Again, trying to keep both shoulders rooted in the mat here. And then exhale, slowly come back to center. This time extend both legs long. Coming into final Shavasana. Great work, everyone. Feel free to extend the arms out long here, taking up some space. Keeping the eyes closed, letting your body reap all the benefits of this quick practice. Feel free to fall asleep here if you like. When you're ready to drift off to bed, let's close this practice by bringing our hands together, bringing them up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.